Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to talk all about manifestation for beginners, but before I get into it, make sure you hit subscribe and you hit that notifications bell so you get a cheeky little notification every time I upload a new video. So firstly, let's first acknowledge exactly where I am. That's the little Hollywood sign just up there, and what a perfect place to do a video all about manifestation. Now manifestation, I totally understand that so some of you might be like, well, what is manifestation? Or is it even a thing? Is it real? You know, it's the whole law of attraction. Oh, is it a bit woo-woo? Is it a bit airy-fairy? Is it for me? The thing is, manifestation happens every single day. We manifest everything we have in life, you know. We manifest the fact that we go to work. We manifest the fact that we have a car. We manifest the fact that someone says something. Everything is a manifestation if you choose to see it that way. It's really, really easy to kind of jump in and be like, well, you know, I put it out there that I wanted this and it didn't happen. Well, firstly, you don't know if it's not going to happen. You know, there's no time limit on these things. The universe will give you those things whenever it sees fit. But also, manifestation is it's a practice in a way, and it's also an allowing. You know, it's really, really easy, like I said, to put it out there that you want a certain thing, but you know what, the actual really important thing when it comes to manifestation, the important thing with manifestation is to actually detach. So put out that you want this certain outcome. Maybe that you put out that you, like I did one day, wanted to see the Hollywood sign, and you're here. Put it out there, but detach from outcome. The moment you detach from the fact that you've got a goal, what you do, you allow the journey, you trust the process. You know, I meet so many people who are so focused on controlling that journey. They're so focused on every single element of that journey, when actually, one, the pleasure and the joy and the determination, that's all about the journey. You know, the person you become on your journey is the most important thing. You know, so when you're looking at manifestation, what you really, really need to consider is you already are. You're doing everything that you already need to do. You are growing, you are learning, you are developing, you are achieving in every way that you possibly can. That is manifestation. That's manifestation in its most beautiful, most simple, and most basic form. You know, when we look at the law of attraction, I really totally understand. I understand people thinking it's a bit woo-woo. I understand people thinking it's not everything it's made up to be. I understand people thinking it's materialistic. I understand all of that, believe me, I do. But once you allow and realise that you are manifesting every single second of every day, you know, everything that shows up in your life, if you choose to believe it, is a manifestation. You know, when we look at life, everything is a perception. If you perceive the fact that you are manifesting, then you are. If you perceive the fact that you brought it into your existence, that you could one day look at the Hollywood sign and be filming a YouTube video in front of it, then you are. You know, so don't put too much pressure on manifestation. But my top tips for it is, one, set your intention and have a positive intention. You know, whatever it is that you want to manifest, make sure you're manifesting with positive intention, with positive, joyful, passionate intention. So set your intention. What is your intention for your manifestation? Is it to do good? Perfect. Set your intention. Then set your goal. What is it that you want? Maybe it is financial freedom. Maybe it is being able to see the Hollywood sign. Maybe it is, you know, that car or that relationship or that person. Maybe it's all of those things. Okay, so decide what it is that you want. And third and final tip for a manifestation for beginners, like I said before, detach. Let go of the journey. Let go of that goal, which might sound like a contradiction. You know, you want this thing, but the thing is, the more you focus on wanting, that's what the universe is going to give you. It doesn't know the difference between fact or fiction. So live as if you already have it and detach from the fact that you don't. Detach from the fact that you're working towards it. Detach from the journey. Allow the journey to manifest in whatever way it sees fit. Because the universe will give it you. If you want it, it will give it you. But the thing is, if you want it, what it'll do, it'll give you more of wanting. It'll give you more of needing. It'll give you more of trying. When actually, if you presume and you work and live from the end, it will be like, oh, this person already has this, so here we go, have it. So they are my 3 top tips for manifestation. Set your intention, set your positive intention, decide what it is that you want to manifest, and detach. Detach from the end, detach from that goal, detach from having that financial freedom, because the process is the journey. And on a completely different mindset side, you know, whatever you manifest, beautiful. I hope it's everything you truly dream of. But as soon as you start to manifest, do you know what will happen once you achieve it? The next goal will be there. I've seen the Hollywood sign. One of my goals, one of my little dreams in life is to see the Hollywood sign. It's right behind me. I've just had a little bit of a moment of gratitude there. That's been a goal of mine, and I'm so grateful, and I will enjoy this process, and I will enjoy my time here. But then I'll need and want something else, because that is what we do. We are achievers. We look for success in every moment. So, top tips, we'll refresh one more time. Set your intention. Make sure it's positive. Decide what it is you want, then detach. Now, if this has helped, I'd really appreciate it. Please feel free to comment below. Let me know where you're watching from. It's always really interesting to know. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you get a cheeky little notification every time I upload a new video. And from me and the Hollywood sign, I'll see you very soon. Take care.